Good morning, students. I am Ms. Republica Barmohai, Assistant Professor, Assam Downtown University, Guwahati, Department of Pharmaceutical Science. So today I will be discussing about the classification of fatty acids. So the classification of fatty acids is done in the four bases. That is, first one, according to chain length, that is short, medium, and long. And secondly, according to degree of saturation, that is saturated and unsaturated. Thirdly, according to the biological value, that is essential and non-essential. And fourthly, that is aliphatic, branched, and cyclic. So according to chain length, fatty acids are divided into three parts. That is, short chain means it has 2 to 8 carbons, and in medium chain it contains 10 to 12 carbons, and in long chain it may contain more than 12 carbons. So now the classification of fatty acids. So according to chain length, as we told that it may be low or short chain fatty acids, so it contains 8 carbon atoms or less than, that is from 2 to 8. Now acetic acid, example, it contains 2 carbons, that is CH3COOH. That is, in the methyl group we contain 1 carbon, and in the carboxyl group we contain 1 carbon. Altogether it's 2 carbons. In butyric acid, it contains 4 carbons, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. Medium chain fatty acids, it contains from 10 to 12 carbon atoms. Then high or long chain fatty acids, it contains more than 12 carbon atoms. That is, in palmitic acid, it contains 16 carbon atoms, that is CH3, CH2, 14, COOH. In stearic acid, it contains 18 carbons, that is CH3, CH2, 16, COOH. And in lignoceric acid, that is, it contains 24 carbons, that is CH3, CH2, 22, COOH. Now the classification of fatty acids according to degree of saturation. So saturated fatty acids, they do not contain double bonds. Now the palmitic acid, which contains 16 carbons, they are all single bonded carbon atoms. In case of stearic acid also, it contains 18 carbons and all are single bonded. So these two, here the palmitic and stearic acid division has been given here. In case of unsaturated fatty acids, they contain 1 or more double bonds, and they are named by adding suffix enoic. And unsaturated fatty acids, they exhibit the geometrical isomerism at the double bonds. All naturally occurring fatty acids have the cis configuration. Oleic acid, that is 18:1 and 9, that is omega 9. Means CH3, CH27, CH, double bond, CH, CH27, COOH. Now the classification of unsaturated fatty acids. So monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids. So in case of monounsaturated fatty acids, we can say monoethanoic or monoenoic. They contain 1 double bond, that is oleic acid 18:1, 9, that is omega 9. That means CH3, CH27, CH, double bond, CH, CH27, that is COOH. Then polyunsaturated fatty acids, it may be termed as polyethanoic or polyenoic. They contain more than 1 double bond. Now the polyunsaturated fatty acids. Examples are dienoic fatty acids that contains 2 double bonds, that is linoleic acid. Then trienoic fatty acids that contains 3 double bonds as described in the structure. Then tetraenoic fatty acids that contains 4 double bonds, that is arachidonic acid, which is 20:4, 5, 8, 11, 14, omega 6. Now the classification of fatty acids according to biological value. According to biological value, we can say they are essential fatty acids. So, the fatty acids that cannot be synthesized by the body should be supplied through diet, known as essential fatty acids. They are polyunsaturated fatty acids, for example, linoleic acid and linolenic acid. Now, the functions of essential fatty acids. The functions of essential fatty acids are structural elements of tissues, that is, PUFA, occur in higher concentration in lipids associated with structural elements of tissues. Then, structural elements of gonads. Lipids of gonads also contain a high concentration of PUFA, which PUFA means polyunsaturated fatty acid, which suggests importance of these compounds in the reproductive function. Then, synthesis of prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are synthesized from arachidonic acid by cyclooxygenase enzyme system. Leukotrienes are conjugated trienes formed from arachidonic acid in leukocytes by the lipoxygenase pathway. Then, structural element of mitochondrial membrane. Deficiency of EFA causes swelling of mitochondrial membrane and reduction in efficiency of oxidative phosphorylation. Then, serum level of cholesterol. Fats with high content of polyunsaturated fatty acid tends to lower serum level of cholesterol. Effect on clotting time. Prolongation of clotting time is noted in ingestion of fats rich in essential fatty acid, and the role of essential fatty acid in fatty liver. There, the deficiency produces fatty liver. Thank you.